Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you Zorin operating system. If you don't know about this technology, it's actually destroying Windows machines, and many people are ditching Microsoft over this open source operating system. So if you simply go to Google, simply type here Zorin, Zorin operating system. I also just came to know just a week back. I just wanted to make a video on this, and it's a full operating system similar to Windows. And once you go to this website, they have their own website as well, zorin.com. This is the operating system. So the latest version is 18.1, as you can see right here. So it's an alternative to Windows and Mac operating system designed to make your computer faster, more powerful, secure, and privacy. You click the download button, and once you click the download button, automatically the download will start. And right here, you simply just enter your just email address and click on continue. So a total of 3000 rupees, Indian rupees, will be charged. So depending upon your internet, wherever you are buying, you select the country from here. So I personally tried this on a one machine, and it's really good. From here you select the country, the zip code, everything. After that, click on continue. You also set the zip code, and then you add the credit card, put the credit card information, pay it just, and after that the payment is complete. You will click the download button to simply download this. So it's not free, you need to purchase it, but I can safely say that it's really awesome. It's a great alternative to Windows machine, and it's really faster as well, not slow as Windows 11, Windows 10. So you can just see right here, this is the core version. The screenshot, as you can see, it's similar to, this is a free version, and this is, you can see, you can click the download button. From here you submit your, click on subscribe and download, and they do offer the free version as well. So once you submit the email address, you will find out the download link. They will send you the download link right here. So right here you simply see that download button is there. So once you click the download button, the download will start. So you will see that now it's almost 3.6 gigabytes. This is a complete operating system that once you click the download button, will start downloading it. So once it completes, they have also given the full documentation how to install this step by step. This step by step guide is also given to you how to install this. So from here you can simply see the system requirements, how much system requirements are required. So you must have a CPU of this processor, RAM should be 2 gigabyte, storage 15 gigabyte, display. So very minimal requirements inside Mac as well. And now how to install this, it's very simple. Create a bootable USB install drive, then download this. So once you go to the documentation, a step-by-step instruction will be there. So once you install this, it will look something like this, similar to Windows or Mac operating system. It's a very lightweight operating system, very fast as well. I personally tried this on one machine, so I can safely say that this is a really good operating system. It's giving really good competition to Windows as well. Many people are ditching Windows, and it's actually destroying Windows competition. So Windows and my Mac operating system as well. So if you have a Mac operating system, if you're looking forward for an alternative, this is a perfect alternative. You can find out Zorin operating system. So they do have the Pro version as well, which only cost you around about $30, which is 300 Indian rupees, 300,000. So it has various themes as well, premium desktop layouts. You can see this is the actual layout that you see, similar to Windows. Windows classic layout also, it has Chrome-like layout. These are some of the layouts that you will see inside this. So it also have Ubuntu theme as well. Mac operating system themes as well. Standard desktop layouts. This is a Windows like. So all the layouts, all the functionality you will get similar to your existing operating system, but it will be really fast. So it's really professional looking, and you can just see here. It just cost you lifetime fees. You just need to pay one time, just this amount of fees, $30, and this will be yours. So once you go to this, you will read more about their just documentation, everything. So definitely check this out, guys. They also, it's a really good operating system. Definitely check this out. They also have their own computers as well. You can see that they also make their own laptops, computers as well. So CPUs, everything. So it's a very good company. Definitely check this out.